Hey, Jasper! Jasper, wake up, Jasper! It's the 4th of July, Jasper!
Chucky, why are you yelling? What are you talking about?
The 4th of July, Jasper! It's America Day!
It's what?
It's the 4th of July, Jasper! Time to celebrate!
America!
Yeah, Jasper, we could go outside and watch as bombs explode in the sky. And we'll invite our friends too. And drink drinks and eat food and other stuff, Jasper.
Chucky, don't you remember what happened last time on the 4th of July?
No, Jasper, what happened?
I can't say it.
Jasper, let's say it.
Puffing up my chest.
Oh no. Wait, Jasper, you said the word, Jasper!
Sorry, Chucky, I gotta do it.
No!